so long though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm gonna be straightening my hair. Well, I've straightened my hair and I use two new products that I never used before, which is a gloss, a one-step gloss that you can use in the shower, and a hair sanitizer. So if you guys would like to see how I got these results and how I use those products and what I thought about the products, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. So as you guys can see, I have blown out my hair, like it's completely dry, and I'm gonna explain to you guys what I did. So I washed my hair with I actually washed my hair with a Pureology shampoo. I don't have it with me right now, but it's just a regular shampoo. I don't think it is CG approved, by the way, so it's not for like curly hair, but I washed my hair with that. And then I went ahead and used my L'Oreal Le Color Gloss One-Step Toning Gloss. I got this in the mail as PR, and I actually got 3 different boxes. This was the darkest color that I received, however, so I decided to use this one because I did dye my hair. I did deposit some like black dye into my hair like a couple of months ago to get rid of the highlights, and the highlights started coming back through. So I just wanted to see if it was gonna like, you know, put my hair, like make my hair dark again. So then I used this, and this also serves as a deep conditioner as well because it has a lot of great products in it, a lot of great ingredients in it. So I was really interested. I'm like, okay, deep conditioning and depositing color at the same time, that's a win-win. So a little bit about this, it can stain your hands and stuff, so you can use a glove, but I use it in the shower. It's literally just like a one-step thing. It's kind of like a conditioner, but it has color in it. So I used it in the shower, and I had gloves with me, but I was like, I'm not gonna use the gloves because I'm just gonna let them know if it stains your hands or not. It did kind of like in the middle, it looked like it had like a brownish like color tint, or it looked kind of like yellow actually. And once I did everything else and all that, at the end of the shower, my hands were fine. There's nothing on them. So it didn't really stain, it didn't stain my bathtub at all. It didn't stain anything. So it worked really, really well. It's debatable on whether it deposited any kind of color in my hair because I still see the light color at the ends of my hair. By the way, my hair is it's in pretty bad condition. It looks like it's a little bit damaged, I'm not gonna lie, or a bit damaged, which is why I might cut it, guys. I might. But anyway, that's besides the point. But so far so good. I'll give this a full review at the end when I straighten my hair because it says it's supposed to add a really nice gloss, and I'll get to see the color a little bit better once it's fully like straightened and styled. After I did that, I came out the shower, I put my hair in a towel for a little bit, and then I took it out the towel and I applied my Tresemme Heat Protectant. I applied it all over my hair generously, and then I applied my Olaplex oil, which is, it's a bonding oil. Actually, I might have done this one first. I can't remember what order I did it in, I forgot, but I put a little bit of that, and then I went ahead and tried this new product that was also sent to me. And by the way, this video is not sponsored at all. These are just products that I'm trying that was actually sent to me just because I get PR from L'Oreal, and this company actually reached out and asked me to try their product. Asked if I wanted to try their product, and I was like, hell yeah, because I've never seen anything like this. So it's called DD, it's called DD, and it's basically like it's called a hair purifier, and it sanitizes, hydrates, and smooths. And the best thing about this is that it's eco, cruelty-free, clean, and gentle. So it has no harsh ingredients, it has no bad ingredients, it has no crazy chemicals or anything, and it's really, really good. And recently, the owner of the company, it's a really, really small company, by the way, you guys. If you guys want to check them out, please do. So far I liked the way it kind of like smoothed my hair down. The owner of the company actually told me, her name is Laura, she's really, really sweet. she told me that it actually works well when you blow dry your hair, and I was like, oh my god, I'm about to straighten my hair, I'm gonna try it. She says it makes it like silky smooth and everything, and I actually, like, when I sprayed it, it did actually leave my hair with some sort of like sheen and shine. So again, I'm gonna probably wait and see until the very end. Also, it's really, I mean, maybe it's super fair or it's not fair at all that my hair is like this damaged as far as like the ends and stuff, because maybe it won't really work, but I guess we'll see, right? If it works on my hair, then that means it'll definitely work on some healthy hair. So I don't know where my hair clip is at, so I'm gonna start straightening it. I'm using this straightener I received a while ago. It's called Croc Premium Infrared, and it's a pretty good hair straightener. When I blow dry my hair, I wasn't trying to make it straight or anything. Let me show you guys. Look how long my hair is. Like, I have a lot of hair, so it's gonna take some time for me to straighten this baby. I still see the light color, and I really did want my hair like super black, but it is what it is, whatever. I'm really nervous. Anytime I'm about to straighten my hair, I get really nervous. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this bonding oil, by the way, before I continue. Oh, after I blow dried, I actually put a little bit more heat protectant on my ends, and that's mostly where I'm focusing this oil as well. Like hyperventilating a little bit, just a little bit. Ooh, golly. Y'all, my hair is long. By the way, I have some tips for you guys, some things that I've learned, okay? If you guys know, you've been here for a while, I was getting my hair done at Diva-chan, which is Diva Curl Salon, and they specialize in curly cuts. Typically, curly cuts are pretty much like layered cuts to make like a really nice shape. They focus on shape, you know, making it look voluminous and all that great stuff. Honestly, it looks beautiful. However, if you want to grow your hair long, I do not suggest getting a curly cut. I really don't suggest you get layers cut into your hair, because then you're gonna have my problem where your hair is like pretty choppy and it's taking forever to like the bottom layer of my hair just looks so freaking thin, and it looks really weird. Like the shape of it right now is just weird because it grew out, so it's not like all pretty when I have like my curly hair and everything. It grew out. So if you really want to grow your hair out, like grow your hair long, don't get a curly cut. Just don't do it. Just cut your hair like one length and call it a day. That way your hair will grow all together nice and thick, because that's what you want, right? When you grow like your hair long, you want your hair to grow all together like nice and thick and healthy, so then you don't have to cut it right after you just grew it. So yeah, I wish I would have known that before, because then I would not have gotten like all the curly cuts I did get. But it is what it is. It's just hair. You live and you learn. By the way, my hair is coming out so freaking nice right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of not caring if I'm applying the flat iron too much, because I'm gonna take care of it after, and I really might cut it because I think it needs a cut anyways. Like, let me see if you guys can see my ends. You see how like it's like sparse, like it's not full. And I know this is just a little piece of hair, but you guys, oh my god, it's so long though. I could just cry. I was doing the rice water thing. I did it like about, honestly, I want to say I did it like 2 to 3 times, and I was gonna continue doing it for a month. But I was gonna continue doing it, and then I moved, so that just took up all my time. But maybe I'll do like a challenge where I'll do it in like, I don't know about January, maybe February. I'm still like settling in with everything and like getting myself on a schedule. See, all that smoke kind of freaks me out a little bit. That's a lot of smoke. Where's that smoke from? Is it burning my hair? There's always so much pressure, and especially in the curly community, for your curls to look like perfect ringlets all the time, and like everybody should have the perfect ringlets, and truly everybody has different hair and everybody has different like styles and shit. Me, for example, I love changing up my hair. I love using wigs or protective styles or whatever the heck it is, but I love doing all those kinds of things, like straightening it, putting it back, look at this, putting it back curly, you know, like changing it up. So what works for somebody else is not gonna work for me because it doesn't work for me creatively. Like keeping my hair perfectly curly every time is not really a priority for me. I want healthy hair. I just don't care about it being perfect like curls and stuff. But healthy hair is gonna get you like the perfect ringlets anyway, so it kind of goes hand in hand. But I'm saying that to say, just don't feel pressured for your curls to look like somebody else's because everybody has different hair. Yeah, everybody's hair is just different. That's what I keep saying the same thing in like different ways. I have a lot of hair, but my hair is thin, and it makes sense because my mom has thin hair, my grandma has thin hair, my aunt has thin hair. Like everybody on my mom's side has like thin hair. After this piece, I might just go finish off camera because there's nothing really to this. It's just straightening my hair, but I am gonna come back and check in with you guys. I'm gonna go finish my hair off camera and I'm gonna be back with my final results, okay? Okay, you guys, I am back and these are my final results. Honestly, my hair hasn't looked good in a while. Like, I mean, when I straightened it, like, I think I straightened it for my birthday, so that was actually pretty recent. And I also straightened it, I think the last time before that was last year. But my hair didn't look like crazy good. Like right now, it looks really good. It's nice and flowy. Like it hasn't looked this good in a while as far as straightened. So I don't know what it was, but honestly, I really don't care as long as I know that this combination works for me. So the L'Oreal gloss and the DD thing, the DD like hair purifier, they both work. They work together. And I also put a little bit, when I was done straightening, I also put a little bit of Olaplex, the Olaplex oil on my ends and kind of just passed the flat iron again. This is the length of my hair. But yeah, I'm really excited about my hair being this long. It honestly would hurt me if I was to cut my hair because it took a while for it to grow back, you know? Like I used to have this length hair like when I was like much younger, and I wanted to bleach it, dye it, do all kinds of things, experiment, which is fine, you know, you're young, you could do that with your hair and stuff because it's not like fragile yet and it repairs itself much faster. But do I recommend the gloss? Let's go product by product. So as far as the L'Oreal gloss thing, I do think that it did add a little bit of a tint to the bottom. It did make it like a brunette because it was really going towards just being like fully blonde. So I think it did add a tint and it did add a nice gloss to my hair overall. I expected it to be a little bit shinier, I'm not gonna lie, but again, my hair is pretty damaged and I also haven't had time to really take care of it. So I don't want to like blame the product for maybe my mishaps. So I'd have to give it a few more tries. It says that bottle is up to 3 applications. And I also don't know if I put enough in my hair. I was just trying to see if I could get the color on the ends and that's pretty much it. I did still spread it all around, but I didn't go like into depth, you know what I mean? So when I do try it more often, like if I try it a couple more times, I'll let you guys know what I think about it then. But as for right now, sure, it's great. I mean, you're deep conditioning while depositing color. I wouldn't substitute this as just your deep conditioner. I would definitely still deep condition with like a real deep conditioner. The hair purifier by DD, I think that is super duper dope. I'm gonna use it on my hair more often, and also it's for like men could use it for their beards and stuff. And it's for all kinds of hair types. Like you can have your hair in a protective style or something and still use it to sanitize and clean your hair, which is perfect because protective styles, like it's so annoying to have to wash your hair because it gets so like heavy and everything. So I think that it's dope, and the fact that it really has no bad products and it's eco and it's cruelty free and all that like really good stuff that you want to hear about a product, I definitely would recommend you guys checking it out for yourselves. And yeah, I really liked it. So that's my review for those products and the conjunction of these products for my results. I am in love and I am ecstatic actually. I'm actually, see, straight hair me, I feel myself a little bit too much, I'm not gonna lie, but it's all good. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!